The member from Kingston and the Islands.
Mr. Speaker, my question is for the Minister responsible for Seniors Affairs. Minister, I want to begin by thanking you for visiting my riding of Kingston and the Islands to meet with seniors. On Saturday, we had excellent coverage of your visit with Oasis, a nonprofit senior supportive living centre. I was also very pleased that you visited the Kingston Seniors Association for their annual general meeting. It was great to see that you are making time to travel and meet with seniors right across Ontario. And I'm sure that this is providing you with great insight into the unique challenges and opportunities faced by our communities across the province. Your efforts will undoubtedly give you a fresh perspective on what seniors living means. And I know that there is no replacement for that first-hand experience. Mr. Speaker, can the Minister responsible for Seniors Affairs inform the House about her experience meeting with seniors in Kingston and the Islands?
Question. Thank you. Minister responsible for seniors.
Thank you, Speaker, and I want to begin by thanking the honourable member for her important question. And I just want to thank her, Mr. Speaker, for all of her advocacy on behalf of seniors in her riding. It was amply clear, Mr. Speaker, that the good people of Kingston are very appreciative of the member's work, especially on behalf of the seniors. And Mr. Speaker, as the member mentioned, I did in fact have the privilege of visiting seniors in Kingston as well as in Ottawa just last week. In Kingston, I met with two groups who provided key insight into the challenges seniors are facing in Ontario. But Mr. Speaker, not only did I get an insight into the challenges facing seniors in Ontario, but more importantly, I also got insight into how communities are coming together and taking the initiative to address these challenges.
Answer.
My meeting with Oasis, for example, was truly inspirational, where I had lunch with seniors who were so proud to be living independently. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, I want to thank the Minister for her answer and for her commitment to improving the lives of seniors in Ontario. I'm very pleased to hear that you're so greatly inspired by the efforts these groups are making. I've been working with these groups as well and share your enthusiasm about their commitment and their energy. And I agree that it is important to foster a sense of community and support between seniors groups. As you mentioned, you did not just stop in Kingston, but traveled to Ottawa as well. I understand that during your visit you met with leaders of many of Ottawa's elderly persons centres and students from the Retirement Home Management Program at Algonquin College. Mr. Speaker, could the Minister update this House about her meeting with these different groups in Ottawa?
Thank you. Minister.
Thank you, Speaker. And again, I want to thank the member from Kingston and the Islands for this question. Indeed, I did go to Ottawa as well, where at the Good Companion Senior Centre, I met with a number of representatives from the Elderly Persons Centre leaders in the area. At the Good Companion Senior Centre, Mr. Speaker, I was very impressed by this one facility, a groundbreaking program for seniors that's called Senior Centre Without Walls, where a telephone program is used to offer recreational, educational, and health-based phone seminars for individuals unable to physically access community centres. This, Mr. Speaker, is a great example of using a low-cost, innovative way through the telephone of addressing social isolation, and I came away very impressed, Mr. Speaker, with this program. I also visited the Algonquin College's ambitious Adult Day program for seniors with dementia. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.